Welcome back, guys. We're doing a winter camping trip again. AJ's with me this time. We're out here in Marsing, Idaho, in some BLM land just outside, probably 3 miles south. We're gonna pretty much just do a camping trip, maybe go to Jump Creek tomorrow, but I forgot I didn't have the SD card. It was in my computer, so I forgot it. And we had to make a trip to Homedale and come back, so that was about like an hour and a half of just finding an SD card. But we're gonna probably go way back in there and set up the tent, and we'll catch you guys then. Finally made it to the spot. The road's a little sketchy. It's not, the snow's not too deep. It was just we're just sliding a little bit.
Just wet.
But got the tent up here on this hill. We can actually camp on hills now since it's not a windstorm like all the other videos. But we're gonna get this tent set up and then cook some grub. We'll show you the setup and what we're cooking. So we got the tent pretty much all set up. That took pretty quick actually with both of us, but the ladder was frozen, the pins. So when he pulled it back to have them set into the holes, the ladder kind of just like flipped off. But we're gonna let the heater dry out the tent from last time I went camping. A bunch of snow got in it, and I was packing it up. But we're gonna cook some grub now, and literally frozen. We put some seasoning on it. Where's the seasoning? Some regular barbecue seasoning. We're gonna slap that thing on there.
We can sit on the plates and sled down on the plates. The tent is dripping all over our food.
So we got done with the food. Right there, the beef stew mix. We'll put this in the tent so it stays warm until potatoes are done.
Oh.
Look. Dude, just lost some potatoes.
Coming out of your potatoes.
Now you just stir, and they're ready. We'll catch you guys with the finished product. Okay, we just got the food ready. Look at that, steak and potatoes. Okay, try it. Gotta mix it together, get a little of both.
Oh, I got a little bit of both on this one.
Sorry, the light behind us is kind of crap. Good? Oh yeah. We're gonna eat this up, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that, so we'll keep you guys updated. So we just finished up grub. Sorry, this thing's probably bright. Right there. So we just finished up grub. It was pretty good. Steak was a little overdone, but still really good. What do you think?
Oh, it was amazing. I think that's actually better than just regular steak and potatoes, because they're already bite-sized.
Yeah. So that meal cost like $6. This light's kind of messing everything up. Well, yeah, that meal was $6. That's a pretty damn good meal for only being $6. I don't know what we're gonna do now. We'll probably just sit and watch YouTube till the morning, and then rip around and get some off-road footage for you guys, and maybe go to Jump Creek and show you guys that. So good night, and we'll see you guys in the morning. So we just woke up, or not just woke up, we sat in the tent and watched YouTube for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. But we're gonna cook up some grub. We got some bacon and some toast. We're gonna cook up, and I don't know, maybe go get some sick off-roading clips, or I don't know yet. Maybe probably go to Jump Creek and hike around actually, because we got all day here. So we just got the bacon and toast all cooked up.
Okay.
AJ cooked the toast. We soaked it in the bacon grease. Hopefully you don't like die. But taste it.
It's hot, but it tastes good actually.
Good? Does it taste like bacon? No. Oh.
Yeah.
There's Mac. Probably can't see that. It's gonna be all weird. But we'll eat this and then get some sick off-roading clips and then probably go to Jump Creek maybe. So we just got to Jump Creek. Look at that canyon. That's such a sick canyon. Doo-doo-doo. We're gonna hike in there because the gate's closed. So we have to hike down the driveway or roadway to get down there, and we'll get some sick footage of the waterfall and stuff. Made it to the waterfall. It's like a 5-minute hike. This waterfall's rushing. It only just a little stream in the summer, but we actually jumped off that cliff right there. That was fun.
Easy.
So we were gonna try and climb up to the top. Probably can't see it. I'll just edit a clip in, but I don't really want to do it with a Mac because you have to climb up a rope and you'll suck. And I don't really want to try and go up with him in one arm and try and climb. Huh?
It'd be cool. Strap him to the backpack and walk up the rope.
I would totally freak out. But he climbed up that hill or that cliff right there, which is pretty sick. But this is a sick view. Look at that. Just all pretty much a cliff. It's pretty sick. But yeah, we'll probably just hike out of here and then head home. Well, we're almost to the truck now. It was pretty cool to see it in the winter, but I was debating on bringing a fishing pole and just didn't. I should have, because that would have been a cool video, and I bet the trout are going crazy right now with this winter, this cold weather. But yeah, we'll catch you next time, probably Wednesday or Friday. So see you guys then. Like and subscribe.